Now we are here to give instruction to our other team here in Wakra. My friend, as we discussed yesterday, here you have to lay 400 mm cable tray, riser up. You have to make hole there, and then from this point we will make hole. We make a horizontal elbow going there. If you see the sleeve there, we have 3 sleeve. That sleeve is active. So the measurement, you have to take the height of this duct from the bottom of the duct. Just make 75 mm clearance from duct and your cable tray. Don't worry about the space, the clearance, because our cable is only small. It is 25 mm squared only. So it's more than enough for cable pulling. So number the spacing of the support of the cable tray is 150 centimeter in interval 1.5 meter. So make sure the support is aligned with the cable tray. And this part, this area, we have to put vertical elbow and connect angle bar to the slab, and from angle bar put bolt, connect the vertical elbow to the angle bar. Again, the spacing of our support is 150 centimeter. I think like this. In this cable tray, we have to lay cable for 3 circuits of AC outdoor unit, one circuit for penthouse, 1 circuit for first floor DB, and 1 circuit for left. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6 cable. Okay? Understand?
I understand.
Okay.